Probably Chinese made one. Junk. I'm out here in the dark working on the ramp truck. About ready to go for the test drive. I put the seat back in. Let's stick the bolts in. Didn't act like they wanted to start, so I figured I'd run a die down the bolts, clean them up. Which 2 of them went down easy, 2 didn't. And I thought I'd tap the holes in the floor. And guess what? The piece of crap tap breaks off. You can see that. Isn't that just freaking awesome? Nothing else be a pain in the ass. The worst part is I can turn it. Yeah, I could. There we go. It gets there and it gets solid. Piece of junk. It'll probably take 3 days to get out. Be normal. Alright, I think I got it coming out. At least I got it turning. At least I think it'll come out. Don't you hate when this shit happens? I didn't even barely put any torque on it either. There it's out. That's another tap I have. That's how much broke off. And luckily I got it out. You get that stuck in a hole, that shit's hard. Thought, where the hole is, thought maybe zoom out. Thought maybe I could go underneath and try to push it back the other way, but the gas tank's underneath there. The last thing I want to do is pull the gas tank out and get a stupid piece of tap out of the hole. I think that's a Hansen tap. My tap set's a Craftsman. I'm pretty sure I broke the original one that came with it. Down there might even be the original one. It looks a little funky. I think I bought a new one. Pretty sure that was a Hansen tap. Not saying that it is, but I think it was. Probably Chinese made one. Junk. Yeah, I'll use the other tap the hole out. The bolt seems to go in and out good now. I can do it with my fingers. You need to be cross-threading any of these bolts. You'll have all kinds of problems. Got nuts underneath. Like I say, the gas tank's there, so I need that kind of headache. Yeah, I'll do the rest of them. If I have any more problems, I'll show you. Hopefully I don't. Okay, the seat is in. All the bolts are in. Didn't have any more problems. Extra tools. Seat's not the greatest. Walk around this side. Kind of ripped up there. But it's in. I should be able to go for a test drive here to clean all the junk off the back. I actually have factory bucket seats and a console to put in here. But I don't need to do that right yet. Coming on winter time, so it's not a big worry at the moment. Concern or must do. Other than that, the seat's not too bad, but be nice if made these trucks and extended cabs, give me a little more room in here, being as I am tall. Thought maybe with the bucket seat to give a little more room, maybe I could get the back further back without hitting the back of the cab. What also sucks about this seat is the back doesn't come forward. Not sure what year the seat's out of. If it's an 82, it should flip forward. And this one doesn't. But no big deal at the moment. I also want to mention that if you're a subscriber, you're awesome, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Hope these people don't mind me ringing their bell. I don't think anybody's home, but I better get out of here before the cops show up.